Note how clean looking this rug is up near the top of your screen, and how dingy it is just above the middle, working towards the bottom of your screen. And watch what happens here as we've dusted this rug, we've inspected this rug, we've saturated this rug, and we've put our rug cleaner, and now we're agitating that cleaner thoroughly throughout the rug. There's a little bit of trim work that's done by hand around the edges, but you'll get the idea. And just watch how the dirt and grime just disappear from this rug. This rug had been in a heavy traffic area, and we would say was pretty heavily soiled, especially for a white rug. It would be tough to maintain. But you can see here we made pretty short work of it. The right tools and technology and methodologies really help. Bring us your rugs. Chem-Dry of Allen County, 260-490-2705. And we'll get those fresh and clean for you and get them back to you. In-shop cleaning is best.